So first, we want to make sure that we know exactly what type of event they had, the amount of people that were like part of the event. Make sure that we have all the cleaning supplies that we need, vacuums, equipment that's necessary for us to be able to complete the cleaning, and the amount of people that are also going to be involved in that deep clean. We work with different clients, so the deep cleans vary. It could be from a party, like we do clean event spaces. So, like Eagles Landing, it's a place where they have weddings, they have all sorts of different events, and in this type of venue, they have around 105 people. So it's gonna be food, drinks. It all depends on what type of space, what type of event. And then that's when we know exactly what type of deep clean we're gonna perform. We try our best to do our side of work. Some clients do prefer to pick up after themselves, but if they're requesting a deep clean after they have an event, we are gonna understand if there's like stuff that was left, as long as it's not personal items, but if it's trash, anything, we make sure that we get it done, regardless of how it looks.